good evening friends. Pradeep Pendyala, your buddy once again. And today I am going to discuss something very important and very interesting topic. Today I am going to talk about elder abuse, also known as elder mistreatment, senior abuse, abuse in later life, abuse of older adults, abuse of older women, or abuse of older men. It's a single or repeated act or lack of appropriate action occurring within any relationship where there is an expectation of trust, which causes harm or distress to an older person. I hope I'll make it very clear what is happening in our society right now in India and all over the world. Around 1 in 6 people who are more than 60 years and older experience some form of abuse in their homes, community settings. That's the reality. Rates of elder abuse are high in various institutions like nursing homes, long-term facilities, and also in their own homes. Rates of elder abuse have increased tremendously, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. Elder abuse can lead to serious physical injuries and long-term physical consequences. Elder abuse is predicted to increase for sure as many countries are experiencing rapidly aging population. Elder abuse is a single or repeated act or lack of appropriate action occurring within any relationship where there is an expectation of trust, which causes harm or distress to an older person. This type of violence constitutes a violation of physical rights and it could include physical, sexual, psychological, or even emotional abuse. It could be financial or material abuse, abandonment, neglect, and serious loss of dignity and respect. Friends, this is likely to be an underestimate if I say 1 in 24 cases of elder abuse is reported all over the world. And this report is most likely is still a huge underestimation. Why? Because older people are often afraid to report cases of abuse to family, friends, or even to authorities. Consequently, any prevalence rates are likely to be underestimated, although rigorous data are absolutely lacking anywhere in the world. I just mentioned perpetrators of elder abuse can include anyone in a position of trust, control, or authority over the individual. Family relations, neighbors and friends can be perpetrators, and all those people who are socially considered relationships of the person can cause this harm or this harm to their trust. Whether or not the older adult actually thinks of the people as trustworthy, some perpetrators may groom, I repeat, some perpetrators may groom an older person. They can befriend or build a relationship with a purpose. They do it with some ulterior motive in order to establish a relationship of trust. Older people living alone who have no adult children living nearby are particularly vulnerable to grooming. I hope I have made you clear what is this grooming is all about. This grooming is done by neighbors and friends who would hope to gain control of these elderly people's estates. With the aging of today's population, there is potential that elder abuse will increase unless it is more comprehensively recognized and addressed. Elder abuse is not direct parallel to child mistreatment or maltreatment, as perpetrators of elder abuse do not have the same legal protection of rights as parents of children do. For example, a court order is needed to remove a child from their home, but not to remove a victim of elder abuse from their homes. Now, let me tell you, how do you recognize this elderly abuse? There could be bruises, cuts, abrasions, burns, and other physical signs of trauma. These elderly people would show signs of confusion or depression or sudden social withdrawal. Senior finances suddenly changing from good to worse. Senior finances suddenly changing from very good or excellent to worse. Bed sores, poor hygiene, and weight loss. These are the signs of elderly abuse. Unexpected negative reaction to physical contact. Let's stop this elderly abuse, friends. We must stop this elder abuse. Thank you for patient listening. This is Col Pradeep Pendyala, Professor of Anesthesiology, signing for tonight. Take care. Goodbye. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.